Hello. So now we are starting about most awaited section where we are going to generate different reports layouts. Okay. So let us jump to the screen first. So what you are expecting first of all, you just see on the screen. I have generated some analysis report over here. This same report you are going to generate in our Power BI from scratch. So here on the left hand side, I generated one bar chart. Here it is the line chart. This is the pie chart. This is the donut chart. Here it is the region wise total sales table, including the final total value. So these are the field slicers, how to slice the data, and analyze the data likewise. And let me clear this thing again. From here also you can segment, from based on the segment you can filter it out your data. You see automatically all the figures are getting changed, and this will be very helpful to analyze. Assuming that if you want to have only Asia Pacific details, you if you click over here, you can see that under the Asia Pacific, from the which region how many sales has been generated, what is the total sales value, what is the average profit per order, how many distinct customers has ordered this value, total net profit, how many orders you have fulfilled, from the which regions. So which regions the total sales are there, in between the dates how you are your orders are getting trend, and based on the category like how many under the technology and the furniture and the office supply. Likewise, i- whether it is the high value and how many it is the normal order. So these are the just toggle button I have put it over here. So this is the basic report which you are going to generate. Okay, in the page 2 I have generated like some similar thing that we are going to capture subsequent things. So now let us start from the beginning. Currently let me delete all the things which and start from beginning, and let me first of all give you understanding what are the things available. So here you need to switch to the report view. Here it is the page 1. If you want to generate the another page, you need to click over here. Then on the right hand side, this the under the data, there will be the different columns names, including measures or calculated column that will be shown over here right hand side. From the visualizations, you are going to generate particular visualizations like bar chart, pie chart and all. And here you are going to select the particular field from right hand side. Then regarding any formatting of particular visualization, that will be done from here. If you want to have filter on this page or all the page, you are going to put it over here. So this is the basic thing which I want to capture over here, and I hope this is clear. And from the next lecture we are going to generate about the bar chart, pie chart and line chart and all. So you will going to surely enjoy this.